What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. In this video, we're going to be talking about TRT and fitness. Is there a connection between the two? Does one help with the other? Absolutely, because testosterone helps you with your energy. Testosterone also helps with muscle mass. Okay, so I'm going to be doing something in this video that I don't actually even like to do, and that's talk while I'm doing my exercises. Whenever I'm doing my exercises at home and the children want to come talk to me or the wife wants to come talk to me, I just like to focus on my exercise and get it done, usually because it's difficult and I don't like to talk while I'm doing something difficult. But today I'm going to be doing a kind of strenuous exercise routine, and I'm going to try to film this video while I'm doing it. And then thirdly, I'm also going to try to break some personal records while I'm doing it. So this will be interesting. This exercise routine, it is a variation of a CrossFit workout that I saw on YouTube. I'll put a link below to that video of the gentleman. I forget his name, but man, he killed it. Mine's going to start off with 2 minutes of burpees, and then no rest, and then go into 2 minutes of shoulder press, no rest, 2 minutes of pull-ups, and then 2 minutes of squat curls. And I'm going to try to see if I can break my records. I'm going to be doing 2 sets of this with a 5-minute break between the 2 sets. My personal record on burpees for the first set is 29 in those 2 minutes. My personal record for the second set is 25. Personal record for the shoulder press, and this is with 20 pounds, I use 20-pound dumbbells, is 27 on the first set and 28 on the second set. I went up, I don't know why, but I did. Pull-ups, 24 in the first set, 23 in the second set. And then lastly, the squat curls. That's just what I call them. I don't know if that's their technical name or not, but I just call them squat curls. First set, 18 is my PR, and then second set is 18 there also. Two minutes. Testosterone will also help with endurance. I've noticed, because my reps keep going up on this exercise, and on one of the exercises, my second set is always better than my first set. Legs are burning. Oh. Okay. I actually lost count on that one as I was talking. So I'm gonna go back and watch that to get the right number. Right next, I go right into the shoulder presses. And I use 20 pounds for the shoulder presses. 2 minutes. Like I was saying earlier, I don't know why, but my second set of these seems to always be better than my first set. I don't know if it's just because I'm getting warmed up or what. Oh, shoulders are burning already. Try this one at home, guys. It's not easy. But I'm getting better at this every time I do it, which is encouraging. I write down my numbers. You should too. Okay, then after this, you go right into pull-ups. I don't want to talk. All right, 25 of those, I believe. And lastly, squat curls. My least favorite, but they're good for you. And go. These are really hard. By the way, I took my shot last night. I'm taking 150 milligrams per week now. It's helping me feel better, helping me feel more normal. Helping with strength too, little by little. Yes, get that last one in right before it went off. Now I get to rest for 5 minutes. Peace. Okay, it's time for my second set that I'm not ready for, and probably won't be talking during this one. Sorry, that's part of the challenge. I just don't think I can do it. That's it. That's it. Okay, broke the PR on that one too. Yay! All right, now, will you leave a like, please, for breaking those personal records? If you're not subscribed already, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2019. So if you could help me with that, I'd appreciate it. God bless. Peace.